Moen is dedicated to design and delivering beautiful products around the world that last a lifetime. Read about Moen philosophy, our people, and how to join our team. How is a training plan made? 1. Make a diagnosis. It's necessary to observe the profile of your collaborators, identify their training needs and interests. It can be through surveys and interviews to collect this information. Number 2. Establish what the priori- priorities are. Make a list of the most important aspects that need to be developed most urgently, and from there you can establish the other and put together a training schedule from the most important to the less urgent.
3. Define the objectives. Make it clear what the purpose of training your collaborators is, what do you want to change in the organizations, and what expectations do you have with this process. 4. Create a training schedule that is organizing the times of your training plan will allow you to make the most of each moment and theme. It is important that you specify what the contents will be, the training techniques, the internal public to which it is directed, and all the resources and materials that are required to carry out. 5. Start the training. It is important that you observe the aspects such as the performance and motivations of the collaborators in order to identify aspects to polish or improve during the process and or future opportunities.
Number 6, evaluate the process. It is important to evaluate the results of your training plan. This evaluation will be completely related to the objectives that you have outlined when starting this training plan and will help you to make decisions in the future. Number 7, certify participation. Participation certificates are an excellent way to keep your workforce motivated as they contribute to their personal and professional growth. In addition, this document will allow you to have elements for auditions and quality plans. Work motivation. Work motivations refer to companies' abilities to motivate its employees to maintain, improve, develop, or change their performance or behavior through incentives. Companies can influence employee motivation at three levels: the private environment, work life balance, family, leisure, friends, etc. The material and immaterial environment, workplace conditions, salary, company healthcare, work time patterns, work tools, etc. The psychological environment, team cohesion, leadership style, etc.
The evaluation tools. Management indicators. You will have to do a study of your process to detect which are the most critical steps to establish a metric at that point that can help you to know if the performance of that process is what you expect to obtain or not. Actions of suppliers. These criteria may represent the quality of the product, service agreement with the supplier, the communication and the proximity of the supplier of your choice with your company.
Customer satisfaction is the reason for being of any company. Without clients, there is no business. So you must study in detail how satisfied the client is with the service or product that you provide. Instead of conducting a survey, you could new products and services that current customers buy from you, claims or complaints that you have had to resolve, fast response to claims or complaints, and the last one is clients that you have obtained thanks to the recommendation of other clients.